everyone, and welcome back to Podcast English Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Hi, Emily. How's it going today?
I'm great, Alex. I've been thinking a lot about dreams lately.
Oh, really? Dreams like when you're sleeping or dreams like your future goals?
I mean, dreams for the future, goals and things we want to achieve.
Ah, got it. Well, I've always dreamed of traveling around the world. I want to see every continent and meet people from different cultures.
That sounds amazing. I'd love to do that too. My dream is to write a book and maybe even see it published.
Wow, that's cool. What kind of book?
Something fun and inspiring, maybe a mix of travel stories and life lessons.
That's exciting. So, do you have any specific plans to make that dream happen?
Yeah, I'm trying to write a little bit every day and take a short writing course online. Small steps.
Smart move. For my travel dream, I've started saving money and planning trips for next year. I'm also learning a few new languages, Spanish and Japanese.
That's impressive. Learning languages will make your travels even more fun.
Absolutely. And for our listeners, remember, dreams are important, but planning and action are key. Even small steps every day bring you closer.
Totally agree. Don't be afraid to dream big, and don't worry if it takes time. It's all part of the journey.
So, what's the next dream we should talk about in our next episode?
Maybe we can share our funniest or most unusual dreams.
I like that. All right, everyone, start thinking about yours. Last time, we talked about our personal dreams and some future plans.
That's right. Today, we're going to share more ideas and maybe even some tips on how to achieve your dreams.
You know, Emily, I was thinking about my childhood dreams. When I was little, I wanted to be an astronaut.
No way. That's amazing. Did you still want to go to space when you got older?
Not really. I realized I'm a little scared of heights. But the idea of exploring new places stuck with me, so I switched to traveling the world instead.
That makes sense. I used to dream of being a famous singer, but now I love writing and sharing stories instead. Dreams can change, and that's okay.
True. I think it's important to know the difference between dreams and goals. Dreams are the big ideas, like I want to travel the world. Goals are the steps you take to make it real.
Exactly. For example, a goal could be saving $100 every month for your travel fund or finishing one chapter of your book every week.
Little steps really do make a big difference over time.
Let's imagine one of our listeners asks, "What if my dream feels too big?"
I'd say start small and enjoy the process. Big dreams can be scary, but small steps make them manageable.
And don't forget to celebrate little successes along the way. Even finishing a small task is progress.
So, everyone, think about your dream and one small goal you can do this week to get closer.
That's a great idea. Share your progress with friends or family. It's motivating.
So far, we've talked about our personal dreams, childhood dreams, and small goals to achieve them.
Now, we're going to share some inspiring, real-life stories about people who followed their dreams and maybe give you some ideas for your own future.
Okay, here's one I love. Did you know that J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, was rejected by multiple publishers before her book got published?
Wow, that's amazing. It really shows that even if people say no at first, you shouldn't give up on your dream.
Exactly. And she kept writing, kept improving, and now she's famous worldwide.
Here's another one. Elon Musk wanted to make electric cars mainstream and even go to space. Many people thought his ideas were impossible, but he believed in his vision and worked hard.
That's true inspiration. Dreams are powerful when combined with determination.
So, to our listeners, don't be afraid of challenges. Sometimes people might doubt you, and that's okay.
Right. The important thing is to keep moving forward, no matter how small the steps are.
Also, it helps to find friends or mentors who support your dream. They can encourage you when things get tough.
For fun, here's a question for our listeners. If you could achieve one dream instantly, what would it be? Think about it and share it with someone today.
That's a fun one. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us. Keep dreaming big and working toward your goals.
Emily, we've talked about our personal dreams, childhood dreams, setting goals, and even inspiring stories.
Now, we're going to have some fun imagining the future and giving practical tips to make your dreams come true.
Emily, let's play a little game. Imagine it's 10 years from now. What's your dream life like?
I see myself traveling to new countries, writing books, and maybe even hosting workshops for young writers.
That sounds amazing. I imagine traveling the world, learning new languages, and experiencing different cultures. Maybe even living in a small city by the beach for a while.
Wow, that's dreamy. Listeners, think about your future for a moment. Close your eyes and picture it. What are you doing? Where are you? Who's with you?
All right, now for some quick tips. 1. Write your dream down. Seeing it on paper makes it real. 2. Set small goals. Little steps every day add up. 3. Learn continuously. Every skill helps you get closer. 4. Stay positive. Obstacles happen, but they're part of the journey. 5. Share your dream. Friends, family, mentors can support you.
And don't forget to celebrate progress. Even the tiny achievements, every step forward is worth noticing.
To wrap up, remember, your dreams are unique, exciting, and possible. Take action, enjoy the journey, and never stop imagining your future.
Wow, what a journey! Over these 5 episodes, we've shared our personal dreams, childhood goals, inspiring stories, and practical tips to help you reach your dreams.
That's right. Remember, dreams are the first step, and action is what makes them real. Even small steps every day can lead to big achievements.
And don't forget, it's okay if your dreams change over time. Life is about exploring, learning, and having fun along the way.
We hope this series inspired you to think about your future, set goals, and take action toward the life you want.
Thank you for listening and dreaming with us. Keep imagining, keep planning, and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time on Podcast English Channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and inspiring.